Hey YouTube, how are we doing today? Today's video is going to be a very, very weird one. I can't believe I'm going to do this review, but I feel I should. So stay tuned after we roll that intro, and you go see exactly what I'm talking about. Alright guys, thanks so much for staying past that intro. Now, for you first time viewers of the channel, I want to thank you so much for finding this video. I know your time is your most precious commodity. I'm very grateful you're giving me some of it. Hopefully I'm going to earn more of it with today's video. Now, for you first timers and you long time viewers who have yet to subscribe, look down below. Should see a little channel watermark sitting down there. Hover over it or click on it, whatever brings up subscribe, knock it out the way early, and you will feel better about yourself for the rest of today. Alright guys. As you know by that title, we're going to take a look at a Bearded Oregon product. They've made an appearance on the channel before, so look up top. You're going to see at least one beard oil, definitely from them in there, the Corvallis. Yeah, look up top. There we go. But anyway, today we're going to take a look at their Bend Natural Deodorant. I know. First, get over the laughter just like I did. I went, oh wow, a push pop without the little stick. Because that's how you have to really apply it, is push it up and pop it out. Here's why I'm doing this. So, I've been watching a lot of Dan C. Bearded stuff and how he's going through all kinds of changes and only wanting like natural products with his body. Well, after my experience with Johnny Slick's organic beard oil and some of the other organic stuff I've been using, I have been making a change in certain areas of my life. A little bit ago, I went with an Arm & Hammer one, and man, did it ever give you... You guys know when you switch your deodorant and like your pits are all red and raw, and it's like your armpits are screaming at you? That's what that one did. So I had to make a choice, change. And then I remembered what, you've heard me say his name before, but Chief was talking about Bearded Oregon. I caught that they were at a sale. I sent Aaron, the boss over there, a message. I was like, dude, beard soaps, here's this. I saw, the deodorant, and I was like, let's bring it to the channel. So, now we're going to review it. Okay? Its packaging, it reminds me of a cardboard tube. It really does, a heavy-duty cardboard tube. I do like the label on there. It's kind of cool, mutes in, perfectly. That's what it looks like. There is no little twist on the bottom, like I said. You just push to apply. And it has an amazing smell, and it works just wow. But let's get into all the fun stuff, okay? Alright. You can find these guys at www.beardedoregon.com. Don't worry, I'm going to leave that down below in the description box like I usually do. They are made in the USA out of Albany, Oregon. Now, Aaron is the boss, and I love shopping with him because he makes everything so easy. He just really does. And that means a lot to me, especially seeing how I lived in Portland forever and a day. It feels like I'm still shopping in my own home state and supporting local businesses, which is huge for me. Now, they got their start basically May 2014 on Instagram. It was a bunch of bearded brothers getting together and swapping stuff and pictures on Instagram. Well, they became a company July 2016. They took that concept, brought it into a business, and they're growing. I love the fact they just started with like oils and balms, and now they're expanding into a huge amount. Aaron, brother, good on you. I hope you keep growing, and I'm going to be bringing more of your stuff to the channel. Very impressed with what you're doing, and Chief just raves about you. John Stark, Chief, John Stark. Not dropping any names, John Stark. Raves about you. So, I like the fact that, I won't lie, it's got a smell of cedar, tea tree, and Mirapon Pale Ale. That's right, it's got a beer smell to it. It does, guys. I do like that. I do. Kind of cool. You're going to get a 2-ounce stick, which is about on par with most stuff you can find inside a store, between 2 and 5 ounces, for $9.95. That's not bad considering it's handmade, all natural, and it's aluminum free, paraben free, and baking soda free. It is very vegan friendly. Now the ingredients, and I can't believe I'm about to do this, is arrowroot powder, shea butter, hop infused coconut oil, I hope I'm saying this right, Candle Alea wax, kaolin clay, and essential oils. Now, the weird part about switching to an all-natural deodorant is you could have, and this is the only way to put it, is like a detox period for your armpits. And basically, it can range from a couple days to a few weeks. Now, essentially what's happening is in like a lot of store brand deodorants or antiperspirants, however you want to call them, there's harmful chemicals in there with your body. And when you just keep applying it, keep applying it, keep applying it, your body's absorbing it in. So it's just like, when you get a hangover the next morning or when you're coming down off of meds and everything, your body may react a usual weird way and you could get like that pit rash or a stronger odor coming out from underneath your armpits. That's okay. It does go away. Luckily, I haven't had it that bad. I've just applied it and everything's like, cool, perfect. It did clear up that Arm & Hammer problem and my armpits don't feel like they're burning anymore. So, Aaron, I love it. Thank you, brother. Now, coconut oil in there is great for killing like the little fungi, yeast, and bacteria. If you think about it, your arms are closed all day. They're got shirts over them. They're always moving. Always got water in there, moisture and heat, which is great breeding grounds for bacteria. The arrowroot powder helps to absorb the moisture and draw out all those toxins that are in your body. And God, I hope I'm saying this right. I don't know if I am. That kaolin clay, it helps to draw out impurities. So basically, with his all-natural deodorant, it is seriously helping your body get healthier, which I think is really, really cool. Now, in case you didn't know, and I had to look this up as well, man, deodorant is basically a cosmetic used to mask or neutralize body odor. Now, you can look at antiperspirant as kind of like a drug because it temporarily blocks your sweat glands from producing perspiration. So you can see why you're going to have some changes when you go into something all natural. But, it's kind of one of those no-brainers. If you're used to something, you make a switch, you're going to have some problems. Sorry. I can't believe I'm doing a freaking review on deodorant, but still. I love it. I'm blown away by it. And like I said, with this new playlist I got going up, I'm trying to bring different products in here. So, why not, right? But I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger. What about down below in the comments section? I want to know, number one, if you've used Bearded Oregon's, natural deodorant. Number two, all your fun, all your successes, all your failures with it. Number three, what you think about it. I never ever really gave much thought to, okay, here's your pit juice, drive on with the day. And my whole life I've only had 2 bad experiences, and I'm pushing 50 here in a little while. Yes, I'm old. Shut up. I don't care. That pit rash is just, it's horrible. Especially when I was in the military and you got that workout in the morning and you got pit rash going. God, that was painful. But hey, let's get the wrap up going, guys. Oh, if I didn't say, yeah, I did. $9.95. Sorry. All right. So, for you first-time viewers of the channel, I'm just, like I said in the beginning, I'm going to say thank you so much for watching this video. Look, I know it's weird. All right. I know it's very, very weird, but thank you for watching it. Hopefully I've earned more of your viewing time. If not, hey, thank you for giving me this little bit. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel who didn't do it at the beginning, and you long-time viewers who have yet to do it, why? Why not? Seriously. But here's our second chance at redemption. I believe it's right down there. You're going to see a big channel symbol popping up. Click on that thing, it's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and subscribed, please go ahead and destroy the bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Because it's going to notify you. Man, I need caffeine. Sorry, guys. Last couple days I've been up at like 2 in the morning. But still, that bell icon is going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 are going to be popping up on that side of the screen. That's right, over there. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My weird review of Bearded Oregon's Bend Natural Deodorant. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope all of you have a great day today.